It's Brad's Laboratory.
Okay, you gonna tell the audience what we're doing today?
Alright, today, as you can see, we got my spring that we need fixing. And we have that piece that needs to be fixed. Right there.
So, what happened was the spring broke on the chain tensioner. And I'm using an 8mm wrench. Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Can you get down in here? That's too close. It's gonna be blurry.
It's not blurry.
Back up a little bit. It's too close. So we take that bolt off there. That nut. And then there's the broken spring.
Alright, can I just turn this off?
Oh, yeah, I guess. Millimeter. Okay. You going?
Uh-huh.
You push that button to film.
I am filming.
Okay. So we can't find the master link on this chain, so we're just going to take this one apart. I'm using a 10mm to take the bearings loose. Okay, I'm having to reshoot this one little video for the chain tensioner on the MX500 Razor bike. I did buy a new kit here, and the main problems with it, or the main reason why it stopped working, was the spring broke here. So here's the new spring and here's the old spring. So yeah, we just broke a little bit off of it. So I bought a new kit, and the kit came with the new spring, a new guide piece, which this one was just about wore through, a new little tension arm, 2 new bearings, and a new nut. This stuff was probably still okay, but these 2 parts definitely need to be replaced. Alright, so we got the chain loose. It goes on like this. So put that through. Put that through. Get your bearings in there. And get your nut on. And then the spring goes on like this, catches around there, and then this piece pries against the frame of the bike. All that goes on. Come on. Which is a little difficult to do, and then then I just used the existing nut that was on the old one here 2. Come on, baby. Get her on there. Detension that and get the spring on, or get the chain on, hopefully. Well, it came right off a second ago. Did I do it backwards? No, that's right. No. Oh, there's the problem. There's the problem. It's not on the big sprocket. Okay. Chain's back on the sprockets. Tighten up that one and tighten up this one. You don't want them all the way tight. There we go. There we go. That'll lube up that chain. Hi, Brad here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. And really appreciate all the new subscribers. I made it to the 1,000 mark before February 20th, which was a big milestone for keeping my YouTube monetization. So thanks a lot. Picked out a couple videos for you. One over here, selected video, and if you can subscribe, really appreciate it. Talk to you later. Bye.